Hello, dear boys and girls. Welcome to our today's English class. Before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Gulfayrus Kosumkhanova. I am an English teacher at Kалпе school. Before starting, let's look at the pictures and try to guess the topic of our today's lesson. Yes, you are right. Today's our topic is food labeling. Look at the plan of our lesson. In today's lesson, you'll learn new words, you'll read for specific information, and you'll practice talking about food labeling. Pay your attention, please, to the assessment chart. Today, you should do 3 tasks, and for the first task, you'll get 3 points, and for the second task, you'll get 4 points, and for the third task, you'll get 3 points, and the total point will be 10 points. Good luck. Before doing the task, look at the words and their definition. A label. A label. It is a piece of paper or other material attached to an object and giving information about it. A consumer. A person who buys goods for their own use. Best before date. Best before date. It is the day before which food or drink should be eaten or drunk. Storage. Storage. It is keeping of things in a special place for use in the future. And the last word is nutritional information. Nutritional information. It shows what nutrients are in the food. Now, do the task 1, please. You should match the pictures with the definitions. Take time to do this task. Okay, let's check your answers. The third picture, nutrition information, it shows what nutrients are in the food, right? The first picture is a person who buys goods for their own use. Well done. The second picture means keeping of things in a special place for use in the future. Good job. The fifth picture is a piece of paper or other material attached to an object and giving information about it. It is a label. And the fourth picture is best before date. It is a day before which food or drink should be eaten or drunk. Well done. I hope you got 3 points for this task. In order to do the task meaning graph, you should read the text. You should read the text. What is a label? A label is a piece of paper or other material that gives consumers information about a product. Why do we need labels? Labels help consumers make informed decisions about the product they want to buy. In different countries, there are different laws about what information a label must contain. Usually, they say what ingredients the product has in it, where it was made, and how to store, prepare, and use the product safely. Why do labels have dates on them? Food labels must have a use by or best before date on them. This date tells the consumer when the product is no longer safe to use. Why do labels tell us where to store our products? The storage conditions tell consumers where the product needs to be kept so that it is safe for consumption. For example, tinned food must be kept in a cool, dry place until it is opened. After opening, it should be kept in the fridge or freezer. What is the nutritional information or health claims section for? The ingredients list and the nutritional information tell consumers what is in the product and exactly how much protein, fat, sugar, salt, etc. it has in it. This helps consumers decide whether what they are buying is suitable for them. Now, let's do the task meaning graph and make a diagram. A label. What does it mean? Best before date, storage conditions, nutritional information. You have 3 minutes. Okay, excellent. Let's check your answers. A label. It gives consumers information about the product. Best before date tells the consumer when the product is no longer safe to use. Storage conditions tells consumers where the product needs to be kept. And the nutritional information, of course, tells consumers what is in the product. Excellent work. The last task is you should find out 3 true sentences reading the 5 sentences. Take time to do this task. Begin, please. Well, let's check your answers. The true 3 sentences are: a label gives consumers information about the product. The next true sentence is nutritional information helps consumers decide whether what they are buying is suitable for them. And the third true sentence, the ingredients list tells consumers what is in the product and exactly how much protein, fat, sugar, salt, etc. it has in it. Well done. I hope you got 3 points for this task. Now, let's come back to the assessment chart. I hope you've done all the tasks correctly and you got 10 points. Well done. Now let's conclude our lesson. Today you have learned new words. You have read for specific information and you have practiced talking about food labeling. I was really glad to spend time with you today. Have a nice day. See you next time. Goodbye.